Let's look at an example of how to use MCP in practice. We still have the three components. We would have our MCP host and client. Of course, we also have a large language model. And then finally, we have our MCP servers. And these could be multiple MCP servers or just a single one. Let's assume our MCP client and host is a chat app. And you ask a question such as, what is the weather like in a certain location, or how many customers do I have? The MCP host will need to retrieve tools from the MCP server. The MCP server will then conclude and tell which tools are available. From the MCP host, you would then have to connect to the large language model and send over your question plus the available tools. If all is well, the LLM will reply and tell you which tools to use. Once the MCP host and client knows which tools to use, it knows which MCP servers to call. So when it calls the MCP server, in order to get a tool result,